Today, I'm going to teach you 5 more different tricks on your iPhone. And this is an iPhone 16 Pro, and I'm going to use this to introduce some tricks to you on this iPhone. So haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so, because you're going to get a lot of good information about this iPhone. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you something pretty cool. If I press the side button right there and hold it, you can see I just took a picture. Or if I actually press this button right there, I just took a picture as well too. So how do I do this without opening the camera app? It's actually pretty cool. If you go to the shortcuts, okay, this is a shortcut right there. And then we're going to go to plus. And then we are going to take photos. We're going to go to take photos. But right here, make sure that you go to the arrow and turn this off. Turn camera preview off. And now you want to save the photos inside the app. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go to save photos. You can see that. And then just leave it like this. So we're going to press done. So if you want to have a physical shortcut, we're going to go out right now and we are going to go get a widget. So when you hold this, press edit, we're going to say add widget. We're going to go all the way down and look for shortcuts. So you can see shortcuts. Add widget. And now you can see it's taking pictures. And now when you go into your camera roll, you can see it's all in here. You can see that, okay? So you can do it like that. Or if you want to go to the setting, you want to turn this on, this button on, you go to the setting and you want to go to the action button right there. When you go to the action button, you want to go to shortcut and press here and select whatever you want. So it says save to photos, right? We're going to click there. And now this button here, same thing, okay? Just like that. This is feature number 1. You know when you have your phone locked and then without your Face ID, people can actually look at your thing or even go here and then go to airplane mode or flight mode. If they turn this on, let's just say if your phone got stolen, did you know that you cannot really get your phone back anymore? Because once I turn this on, and then that's it. But remember, I'm still on the lock screen without my Face ID. How do I actually shut this off without prevent them turning this on? So how do I do this? It's actually quite easy. If you actually go into your setting, there is a setting you can do inside there. So I'm going to go to the setting right now. And then we're going to go to the Face ID, okay? And this is where you're going to start setting this up. We're going to go all the way down there. And then you can see this is the control center. You want to turn this off. You don't want to turn this on. So because if you want to turn this on, it's actually whatever I saw your phone, I just turn on the flight mode, you cannot do anything anymore. Your phone is gone. But if I turn this off, now you're going to see if I actually didn't unlock this phone yet, right? I cannot access your control panel. And I don't have the notification right here as well too. So you're going to protect myself. So this is actually number 2. So number 3 is, I would like to show you is, if you're going to go on Google and look for photos and stuff, and you just want temporary photos, you can actually just hold it, make sure you drag it a little bit, and now you can start tapping whatever the photo you want. However, remember, these are the very low quality photos. So let's just say if you want to go into your gallery and instead that I want to save it here, you just drop it, and now everything is saved inside camera roll. However, remember, these photos here are not the high quality one. You need to go in. So I'm going to show it to you. So you're going to need to go in. And now this is more higher quality photos than doing from outside right here. You have to go to zoom in all the way in. And now these are more high-end photos than what you did before. So these are the control panel, right? Everybody know about this, the control panel. But however, you know that on the side, there is actually different type of control panels on iPhones. And right here, this is all your favorite. But did you know that there's actually way more buttons than before? You can hold like this, and then you can add control. Okay, and then you can actually add whatever you want. You can do font, you can do screen recording and quick notes, okay, low power mode, scan QR code, things like that. There is a lot of things you can actually put inside. So let's just say I want to do this, it will end up like this. Now let's just say if this is the size you don't want, you want bigger, you can drag it, you can make it bigger, okay, by dragging out like this. So on and so on. You can do it like that. So whatever you like, and then you just go back out, and this is it. This is your new control panel. If you want anything free on your MacBook, make sure you go onto this website and you can get a lot of free apps or applications for your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So if you want anything free, let's just say CapCut or Premiere Pro CC, things like that, go into this website. It's pretty cool. I hope these 5 features will help you. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.